Selam. Hi. Minay Sulu. Amay Sulu. In today's lesson, we'll learn how to greet someone in Tatar language. And there are a few ways in which you can do that. If you are interested, please keep watching this video until the very end. But first, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Let's start. The most common way to greet someone is to say Selam. Hi. Selam. Selam is used to greet someone whom you know pretty closely. To greet someone in a more formal way, you would use isen misiniz? Hello. İsen misiniz? İsen misiniz is more suitable when you greet someone you may not know well or someone who is much older than you are. You can also use isen misiniz to greet more than one person. By the way, isen misiniz literally means, are you alive? In Tatar, we also have the equivalents to good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. And those are Khəyerle irte, good morning. Khəyerle irte, Khəyerle gün, good day or good afternoon. Khəyerle gün, Khəyerle keech, good evening. Khəyerle keech. Khəyerle literally means pleasant. In the Khəyerle irte expression, irte means morning. So if you want to wish someone a good morning or pleasant morning, you would say Khəyerle irte. Gün means day. So if you want to wish someone a good afternoon or pleasant day, you would say Khəyerle gün. Keech means evening. So in order to wish someone a pleasant evening, good evening, you would say Khəyerle keech. And there are also a couple of ways you can say bye to someone. The easiest and the most informal one is probably hush, which is bye, bye-bye. Hush. For a more formal manner, you can say sağ bulunuz, which literally means be healthy. Sağ bulunuz, goodbye. Sağ bulunuz. Right before going to bed, you can say Tynych yooky, which literally means peaceful night to you. Tynych yooky, good night. Tynych yooky. These are the main ways to greet Tatar people. As for body language, normally when women meet each other, they give each other a brief hug and men shake hands when they meet. However, when you meet an elderly person, the respectful way to greet them would be to shake their hand with your two hands. Now you know how to greet Tatar people. I'm pretty sure that when you meet someone Tatar and you use all this knowledge, they will be pretty impressed. If you would like to keep learning Tatar culture and language, please make sure to subscribe to my channel to watch future videos. Also, please like this video if you found it useful. Thank you for watching and see you guys soon. Sağ olun.